Hello everyone, let's continue building our communication skills. This is all about voice modulation in this video, as this is the part 3 of communication skills that we have been dealing with. So today I'll be totally talking about how to modulate our voice, and I'll start up with an example. So hear carefully both the versions which I've tried to put in for you. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be engulfed, every hill shall be exalted, and every mountain shall be made low. The rough places will be made plains, and the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. This is our hope. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be engulfed, every hill shall be exalted, and every mountain shall be made low. The rough places will be made plains, and the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. This is our hope.
Well, when you heard these two speeches, definitely you would have identified certain differences, or rather a lot of differences. The first speech did not have any voice modulation. However, I tried to put in voice modulation in my second version. So definitely it breaks the monotone and it captivates your audience when you modulate your voice in the best of its way. We'll be learning the same today. Keep on going.
One of the most important tools for speaking is voice modulation. One can command over a given audience if one has a good tonality of the voice. So in order to be an efficient speaker, you need to have good voice modulation skills in you. Now, what is this voice modulation? Well, if I get into definition, it simply means the fine-tuning of your voice, correcting the tone of your voice. So according to the situation, according to what I am saying, and according to the kind of audience presented in front of you, you modulate, you change your voice. Try to recall, when you talk to your friends, when you talk to your good friends, you are not the same all the time, but you modulate your voice. Sometimes you are quite fast. Sometimes you try to eat up each and every word that you speak. Because not only you want your friend to understand what you say, but also you want your friend to understand what you don't say. And the tone, the pitch of your voice explains everything to your friend. Well, that is something natural that we have. But in order to build up our voice, in order to modulate it in a right way, is something necessary. How to do it, you might be thinking.
Well, for that, you need to wait for my next video, which will be uploaded soon. So, practice listening, practice voice modulation without me for some time. We'll meet soon.